Guys, let's do a quick grocery haul. Okay, from Spar we have milk. I bought a 6-pack this time. Cheetos, it was 2 for 20 rand, I think. Some juices for school, pretzels for school. Beef, maybe I'll cook this for Sunday lunch. And Oros, it was 35.99 at Spar, and we bought the mango flavor. And then at Pick and Pay, we bought some hot chocolate, muffins for myself and Kanya. At Woolies, we bought some pies for our lunch. It was 2 for 50 rand. And then some jalapeno cheese grillers. That's all that we bought at the shops. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new and you come across this channel for the first time, hi, my name is Nomonde. You're welcome. And to my regular subscribers, hi guys, thank you so much for always sticking by me, watching my videos. Please don't forget to like, to comment, and to share. Today is Saturday, the 25th of April, and we came back from the shops. We did a quick shopping because we wanted to buy some stuff for school. It's a long weekend for South Africa this weekend. We're having a long weekend, and we'll go to work and school on Tuesday. So today is Saturday, and I thought I should open this vlog. I woke up this morning, I did some washing, and then I hung the washing and left to go and buy a few of the stuff. So now we are going to have our pies for lunch, and then we are going to relax. So that is it for today. I will definitely see you tomorrow. All right guys, don't forget to like, to comment, and to share. Bye.
This one I got you with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did that bada. That cover my face, calling me that bada. Biggie man, we don't be where I bada. Tell me, what's it come? You are gone, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it come? You are gone, all the men, they catch it, ride the foot, I no feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must comment it. I can't come and see myself. So anything when they do, I try to get to my way. I can't come and see myself. Plenty survive with the face. Just to make your money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it go? You are go, all the Bentley, they got it, ride the whip, I no feet, die for nothing. What's it go? You are go, all the Bentley, they got it, ride the whip, I no feet. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my boat, I'm paddling. Shout out, Bella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen dreams. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. But I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shine, I'll be head of state. For my people, then go say, I know one buy, I know one die, I know one women. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know.
guys, how are you doing today? It's Monday, it's the 27th of April. It's a public holiday in South Africa. We are observing or celebrating Freedom Day. This is the day where all South Africans voted. Excuse me. This is the day where all South Africans voted for the first time in 1994. So yeah, this day is a public holiday for South Africa. So we are home. I want to clean the inside of the fridge. My fridge is nice and empty, so I thought I should clean it because it's been a while since I did that. And let us get on to cleaning the fridge. Okay, before we start, yesterday I attempted cooking. I'm not sure how many clips I got, but I ran out of space on my phone, so I couldn't cook or show you everything. But let us clean.
That I shouldn't have. So I tell him it's one of me. He making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me. Like that boy is a cop. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fat. Ain't it been what it been? Calling his phone like you'll send me a pin. Look at my shit, cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
It's the sweetest thing, and it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part.
It's the sunrise and those brown eyes, yes. You're the one that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the talent all I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part. If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? Won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you?
Oh, oh, you've got some vacation time. You and your girlfriend, too bad mind. Bad when you both combine. I don't know why you look so nice. Girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do. Don't get you look so nice, being not nice, you're rude. Look what you putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold a corner. It's the one time. I need to hold a corner. And it's the one time. I need to. 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 Right now we're just taking time. All the things are on your mind. They want bad when I treat you right. I don't care how you look so nice. Girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do. Don't get you look so nice, being not nice, you're rude. Look what you putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold a corner. And it's the one time. I need to hold a corner. And it's no one time. I need to. 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 I need to hold a corner. And it's no one time. I need to hold a corner. And it's no one time. 'Cause girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do you. Don't get it, look so nice when you're nice, rude. Look what you put in me through. I never do this to you.
I'm not gonna clean the freezer because it looks clean. It's not bad.
But you don't wanna fall apart, 'cause it might break if I give you my heart and you hold on too hard. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, simmer, cool now, please. Cool down, simmer, simmer. Boy, you make it too hard for me to stay here. Boy, you're making it hard for me to be your love. Cool down, cool down, cool down, cool down.
Yo, DJ Smasher.
Hey guys, I'm done cleaning the fridge. I just did. Let me just switch this off. Hey guys, I'm done cleaning the fridge. I just did the top part of the fridge. The freezer is clean, so I'm not gonna clean it today. Now I am making myself something to eat and I'm going to relax. I'll see you later, okay?